Hi, and welcome to the video on Whatfix Features. Let us understand what each feature is and how businesses implement them. Let's kickstart with flows. Flows are a series of interactive steps that handhold users in completing a process on any given application. These steps are displayed as an overlay on a web application. Let's take a look at some popular scenarios where flows are used. To give an overview of the application for new users, or to train people on a new process in the application on the go. Let's now move on to the next feature, which is pop-ups. Pop-ups are elements that help you quickly engage with the end users. Pop-ups can be simple, splash screen graphics, or they might come with a button that requires users to take action. Now, let us look at a few popular use cases that businesses use pop-ups for. Conduct routine surveys like NPS and pulse checks through the survey pop-up. Make key announcements on the application for any product releases. Note, there are multiple template options for every use case. Moving on to the next feature, self-help. Self-help is a knowledge repository on your application that can host interactive workflows, static text articles, videos, and links. Self-help includes the ability to search and find product-related information. When your organization is going through digital transformation or change management, self-help provides contextual, self-service help to your users. Businesses also use self-help as an in-app repository for the application. Moving on to the next feature, Tasklist. The Tasklist is a widget that gives you the ability to assign a list of topics or tasks users must complete as part of their learning. This list of tasks can be arranged sequentially. Users can view their progress within the widget. Task lists are typically used for new user onboarding and remote training. Trainers can use Tasklist as a complementary element to their typical classroom training or train their users completely through the widget. Moving on to the next feature, Smart Tips. Smart Tips help provide users with contextual information when there is a need for additional information on a page. They can be simple help tips, or they can act as validation tips. Let us now take a look at a few popular scenarios where smart tips are used. Your application has long and complex form fields, and users need to understand the fields to fill them out with minimal errors. Smart tips on hover of the element or on hover of an icon can help provide quick and contextual help. Smart tips can also act as pro tips, providing your users with tips from SMEs and other professionals. Moving on to the next feature, beacons. A beacon is a shout-out to draw your users' attention to a specific element on your application. Beacons ensure that the end users don't miss any communication. Beacons can also be linked to existing content like flows, web links, and video links to provide additional support. Beacons are popularly used when there is a new feature released on the application to draw users' attention to the feature. Use these features to analyze, build, and deliver the best user experience and drive the adoption of your application. That was a brief introduction for you about Whatfix Features.